Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to make soft pretzels. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell for more future videos. Alright, let's get started. I will have all the measurements and ingredients listed in the description box below. So here in the bowl, I'm just adding warm water, sugar and salt, mixing it to dissolve the salt and sugar. One pack of active dry yeast. I'm just going to sprinkle it in there. And then I'm going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the yeast will start to look like this. There'll be more bubble. Right, and then just go ahead and do a quick stir. And then toss in the flour. And then you just want to mix this into a dough. Here I'm adding melted butter. And start kneading for 5 to 7 minutes. The dough should be soft. Alright, then I'm just going to oil the bowl and put the dough back in there to let it rise. And I'm just going to oil a little bit on top of the dough just so it doesn't stick, and cover with plastic wrap. Put the dough somewhere warm. I place mine in the microwave and let it rise for an hour. In the meantime, I'm lining my baking pan with parchment paper and spraying it and preheating my oven to 475. Alright, so here it is after an hour. The dough should just fall right out of the bowl. I'm just doing a really quick knead, pushing all the air out and rolling it out. So here I'm just cutting it in half. This should make about 8 pretzels. To get the pretzel shape, taking one of the pieces and rolling it out. Alright, once it's rolled out, not grabbing the ends, but near the middle. You're gonna gently hold it, and using this technique, slowly, gently, gradually stretching the dough out. And then rolling it again. Bring the ends together, twist it twice, and then pinch it at the end. If you are enjoying the video so far, please give me a thumbs up. This part is crucial. You will heat up some water and add baking soda, and then when the water starts boiling, you'll go ahead and drop in the pretzel for 15 to 30 seconds. Leaving the pretzel too long, the baking soda will make the pretzel bitter. After 15 to 30 seconds, go ahead and drain the pretzel. And if the pretzel needs to be fixed, go ahead and do it this time. So here I have egg wash, and it's just one egg and a little bit of water. And I'm just going to brush the egg wash onto the pretzel before baking it. In this batch I'll be making with pepperoni, and if you like sea salt, this is the time to add the big kosher sea salt. After putting on the pepperoni, I'm going to brush another layer of egg wash and put them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'll be making a sugar cinnamon mix. To save me from doing dishes, I'm just going to be using a Ziploc bag. I'm using brown sugar, regular white sugar, and cinnamon. This is how the pretzels look like after it's done baking. And here I'm just brushing some melted butter onto the pretzel. And then I'm just going to go ahead and toss it in the bag with the sugar and the cinnamon. I hope you guys enjoy baking with me, and give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments of how it goes. and I hope to see you guys on my next video.